国际消息，咱要先来关心的是洛杉矶，即马因为非法移民的问题，这冲突是愈加愈大层。洛杉矶的市长巴斯即马已经宣布进入紧急状态，市中心部分地区逐日是宵禁10点钟。也那这川普呢，除了是决定要来派700个陆战队员，也有4000个国民兵进驻以外，今仔日伊还佫较表示，无排除会用叛乱法来处理这场冲突。
川普无少用40亿代票调派700个陆战队员加4000个国民兵，要去加州洛城准备镇压移民示威暴动。加州州长甲检察官想要阻止，向联邦法院申请禁制令，说服法院驳回。洛杉矶市长是真无奈。
I want to tell him to stop the raids. I want to tell him that this is a city of immigrants. I want to tell him that if you want to devastate the economy of the city of Los Angeles, then attack the immigrant population.
当时洛杉矶市长巴斯也下令进行紧急状态，佮宣布当地7日暗时8点开始到隔日早起6点，10至10点钟的宵禁，可能会连续几日。川普除了调兵7日也伫加州军事基地布拉格堡纪念美国陆军250周年演讲当中，佮一摆有关声音批评加州暴乱，陷入无政府状态。
Generations of Army heroes did not shed their blood on distant shores only to watch our country be destroyed by invasion and third world lawlessness here at home, like is happening in California. As Commander-in-Chief, I will not let that happen. It's never going to happen.
川普言辞真激烈，指控示威者是外国敌人，佮表示要解放加州。
Very simply, we will liberate Los Angeles and make it free, clean, and safe again. It's happening very quickly.
目前美军部队有关在前线当中，一个美国官员向媒体表示，700个陆战队员在部署离洛杉矶50公里的海拔海堡，但进一步派遣。不过，其实根据法律，这海军陆战队员无大保权，因为川普政府原本的 tax 无这种授权。来洛杉矶的军队可能保护建筑部指挥交通。
They cannot do seizures, they cannot stop people, they are not supposed to detain or arrest in any form or fashion, except if it's in self-defense or in extreme circumstances.
等到办公室，川普被记者问到什么时阵才停止派遣国民兵的时阵，川普无讲出时间表。伊表示，若是伊出手，洛杉矶早就已经陷入火海。
Will the National Guard be in California indefinitely? How long will they be there until you think?
Until there's no danger. It's easy. Look, it's common sense. You ask me that question.
不过也暗示无排除动用美国法典第10篇的叛乱法来处理这场冲突。
If there's an insurrection, I would certainly invoke it. We'll see.
叛乱法正式的名字是1807年叛乱法，以温总统在特定情形之下动用军队来镇压叛乱甲暴力事件。不过这法案在历史顶悬真少被动用，而且常常受法律的严格限制，尤其在无州长请求的情形之下。公视新闻，洪如梅报。